Go berserk. Go berserk.
Hi guys, it's Sophia, and I'm so excited for today's video because I got red high top Converse, and I've been wanting them for like a very long time, and I finally decided to spend money and buy them. And I've been spending a lot of money lately, but whoops. I'm gonna unbox them for you and see how they look because I did order them in the mail from Nike. I bought them on Saturday and it's now Thursday, so like a little under a week. I have gotten my black high top Converse before, so I know what they should feel like and look like. If you want, you can check out that video. That was like a little under a year ago, and my like voice was like gone, so my sister actually spoke for me. That's kind of interesting if you want to see it. It's also kind of embarrassing though, so I don't know if I'd recommend it. Click the eye to check that out. I'm gonna open it now. Here they are. Here's the Converse box. By the way, these are size 7.5 England's. Oh! Do they match my shirt? Yeah. I actually wore the shirt to match it. Here's the left one. It is pretty awesome and cool, and I'm not obsessing about it at all. And the right one, oh my gosh. They're like new, so they're like way stiffer and just like cleaner than my black ones, obviously. But I'm so excited to wear this. I guess I'm just gonna try them on. First, I need to lace them more. So if I should do a review on these, I don't know how to review them. So yeah, they feel like Converse, they look like Converse. Converse. OMG. They're more amazing than I thought.
It's like for the shadow, for all your tomorrow. It's knowing he's there through the sun and the rain. It's when you believe it before you can see it, and you can walk on.
Thanks for watching this video, and let me know if you have any questions about the Converse. I can answer them in the comments. And let me know if you have Converse or if you love them or any other type of sneakers that you love. Be sure to stay tuned for upcoming videos because as you watch this, it's like a couple days before we leave for our trip, and we're super excited about that, and we're gonna have amazing, crazy vlogs. So yeah, subscribe so you don't miss those. Check out any other shoe unboxing videos, which will appear in front of my face. See you next time, bye. And I'm dropping everything.
Match it up.